This is a real money people are making from their SaaS products, and in the entire history, there is no better time than this to build your own SaaS. I have spent weeks and weeks to research about top 5 categories where you can start your own SaaS product and make similar amount of money for yourself. I am also building a SaaS in these categories. I will show you a lot of products that are making money in this particular category. Cool. So as you can see, the heading is 5 best AI SaaS tools to start in 2026, and I have written down all of the 5 categories here. The first category is AI content creation SaaS, but very specifically for founders. If you see a SaaS like Supergrow, which is a LinkedIn growth tool, means it helps people to grow on LinkedIn, is making around $79,000 per month, and they have around 500k all-time revenue, and you can see the entire growth here. So this idea is really amazing. A lot of people are building a lot of other tools like SuperX, which are also like 40k MRR, and a lot more tools are available there, which very focused on a platform. Maybe that platform can be YouTube, maybe that platform can be LinkedIn or any other tool, and they are making serious amount of money, as you can see. Now I want to give you a very specific advice. A lot of these tools are very focused on English language. So if you are someone from a country where your regional language is different, maybe you are from India and your regional language is Hindi, maybe you are from different country and your regional language is different, then you can create similar software but in your particular language, and that will be a huge potential. You can make a lot of money by just differentiating yourself with a particular language, because a lot of people are not doing that. And as I said you, I'm not just selling, I'm also building a particular product in this category, which is called Vichar AI. It is helping people to grow on LinkedIn. It's a similar product like Supergrow, but we are focusing on very authentic content. If you try Vichar AI, you will not feel that it is AI generated content. Your strength can be anything, but you have to differentiate yourself, and you can make a profitable SaaS in this category. Okay, now let's go to the second SaaS category. And before going to the second SaaS category, I want to tell you that some of the biggest influencers from India and USA, they are making product in this category. So it is going to be used. It is called LLM aggregators. Yes, if you don't know what is LLM aggregators, there are models from OpenAI like ChatGPT, and there are models from Google, Gemini, and there are models from Anthropic, and a lot of other AI companies are there. If I try to go to all other companies and try to buy a different subscription from all of them, the small cost will be very high for me. For example, if I keep buying like $20, $20 from all of the companies, at the end the subscription will be huge for me. So these LLM aggregator help you out to have one subscription and you can access all the models. A very known product in this particular category is from Indian influencer Dhruv Rathi. You can see AI Fista. And the promise here is that you will get 9 plus AI perspective here in one window, and you just have to buy one subscription, not all other subscription, and you can save a lot of money. As you can see, the comparison is here. Individual AI subscriptions and the AI Festa subscription is so cheap compared to that, right? And another tool I can tell you from Theo, who is also a very known YouTuber and tech influencer. They also have this product called T3 Chat, and you can like select your model from here, and you will see that you have a lot of other AI models like OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Meta, DeepSeek, and a lot more AI tools, right? So I hope you understood what is LLM aggregators are and why they are very important, and why in future it will be a growing category, because a lot of people are not going to buy individual subscription, they are going to buy LLM aggregator like AI Fista, T3 Chat, or it can be yours once. And to showcase you just number, in 36 our AI Fista is around 3 million ARR. If you can break in this particular category, you will make a lot of money. Now one thing before going to the third category I want to say is, if you are creating something in LLM aggregator, try to go very specific, like LLM aggregator for developers, LLM aggregator for marketer. It will help you out to differentiate yourself, so you don't have to compete with these big giants, and you can be a king of very small kingdom, and that will be great. Now if you are someone who is not technical that much and don't want to go in the APIs and a lot of things goes in LLM aggregator, the next SaaS category is for you, and I am talking about the category of short story generator. Yes, so the concept of these type of ideas is that you can create viral faceless videos on autopilot. Yes, by using, you can create this type of short stories, as you can see here, as you can see this one, as you can see this one, and a lot of more stories example you can see. And if I show you how much money they are making, it is 26,000 per month, and the all time revenue is around 500k. So it is huge amount of money for this type of product. And if you are someone who is not even technical, you can go and build this type of product. Yes, you have to understand the market. Yes, you have to understand which type of stories work and which type of AI videos work, but you can do that. And I have created a lot of videos on this particular channel where I explained you how you can build a product using AI coding or vibe coding. I will put all the link in the description so you can go and check out all of those videos. Now, of course, to differentiate, you can do few things like going in very specific niche. Maybe you create short stories or short videos, but for business, maybe for doctors, maybe for a real estate business, and that will be very great because you can optimize your app. They will pay you because you are very specialized. Your quality will be very much higher than these general AI SaaS. So go and build this particular SaaS. It will be really great. Now the next category is they have a potential to make you billionaire. Yes, I'm not talking about millionaire, I'm talking about billionaire, and it is called no code AI app builder tools. As you have seen, no code AI tool like Lovable, Bolt, and a lot of other AI tools are very trendy right now, and they made a lot of money and their valuation is multi-millions. Yes, I got it. You are thinking that how you can build that type of product and how you can compete with that big teams. But what if I tell you, you don't have to build that giant software. You can be very specific again. You can be very niche in this particular category. You can build a particular no code app which help maybe a dentist to create an app which they can share with their patients. Maybe you can create a no code app which is only and only create real estate apps, but they create it very well. Then if someone from real estate is looking for a no code app, they will definitely choose you other than the normal AI SaaS which are like Lovable and all other tools, because they are very generic. They are not very specific. And when you go specific, you understand the nuances, you understand this small requests from your customers, and that Lovable can't afford because they are going very massive. They want to make a lot of money. But for you, even if you made $20,000 per month, it is a huge amount of money as a solopreneur, right? So I highly recommend, if you are someone who is a bit curious in this field, go and build something in this field and you will make a lot of money. One of the hottest category in this IaaS, and a lot of people are making huge amount of money from this particular category, is called LLM SEO. IaaS like SEO bot are making around $80,000 per month, and their all-time revenue is around 1.5 million. Can you imagine that amount of money from this particular SaaS? And this SaaS is started around like December 2023, and right now in April 2026. And SEO bot is not the only competitor here. A lot of people are also building a lot of product. And if you are wondering what they do, they just help you out in the SEO. Yes, they use AI to write blogs, help you get backlinks and a lot more things. So you can rank on Google, and very specifically you can rank on these AI. Yes, you can rank on ChatGPT, you can rank on Google, you can rank on Anthropic, because nowadays a lot of people are using AI tools to discover new tools, to discover a lot of things they want to buy. And because of AI, you can mass produce a lot of content and can do SEO by using AI. These tools are doing a great job. When you are using these tools, you don't have to do anything. They will handle everything on autopilot. As you can see on their landing page, that everything will be autopilot for you. You don't have to do anything. And as you can see, their pricing is $49 per month. So can you imagine how many people are getting advantage from this app, and that's why they are paying so much money. So if you can build something related to that, and especially if you are in like SEO or marketing, this is a huge opportunity for you. If you can make money for a business, they are absolutely okay to pay you money back. So if you are someone sitting on your room and thinking about building a SaaS, I highly recommend to pick any of them category and then focus on marketing a lot. Because of the AI, a lot of people can build using vibe coding, as I said you earlier, that you can build using AI right now. And I have put a lot of resources which you can go in description and check out how you can build software using AI. But marketing is the main part here. And let me know what type of content you want to see on this particular channel. You want to see more SaaS related content, more AI related content, let me know in the comment section. And if you stick till the end, I am giving you a superpower. You can comment out, and we are going to build a SaaS in any of these category, and we will grow live here on this YouTube channel. And if I get significant amount of request in the comment section, I will going to build that particular product. I will do the marketing. We will go and close our first customer, and we will do everything live here on this YouTube channel. So hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring the world. Bye bye.